Hello everyone, I am Karan Jain and I welcome you back on our channel Pabbly. Today in this video we will learn how to create QR code for new link posted in Telegram and send it to a specific Telegram channel. Okay, so the idea here is, suppose you are getting a link on a group of Telegram channel. Now you want to convert that link into a QR code. Okay, and again you have to send that QR code into another Telegram channel. If you follow the manual process, you have to first collect the link, then you have to convert that link into a QRL code, and then again you have to manually send it to the another channel of Telegram. What I am suggesting here is to bring some automation. So here we have used two applications. The idea here is whenever a link will come to your group, automatically that link will convert into a QRL code through qr.io, and then again automatically it will be sent to the next Telegram channel you want to send. Okay. But the problem here is there is no direct integration or link between these two applications. So it is impossible to set up a automation. To set up an automation, we are using one software here, which is Pabbly Connect. Now Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software. What it will do, it will help us to link both of these application together so that we can set up the automation perfectly. As soon as we will get the link, automatically it will change into a QR code, and then again automatically it will be sent to the next Telegram channel you want it to. Amazing, right? Now let me tell you one more amazing fact. To use this software Pabbly Connect, you need not to have any technical background. A non-technical person can also use this software very easily. Now let me show you a real-time example on my screen. Okay guys, you can see on my screen, this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now the idea here is we are creating a workflow in order to integrate two applications so that we can finally get the automation which we have the requirement of. So to create the workflow, you have to first hit this blue button which says create workflow. A mini box will emerge in front of you which will ask you to name your workflow. So let me name my workflow first. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, I have given the name to my workflow. I have done a spelling mistake here. Let me correct it. Okay, now you can see I have given the name generate QRL code from a URL link. Okay, so whenever you will give the name to your workflow, just remember that the name should be easy that you can remember it afterwards also. Now after giving the name to your workflow, you have to hit this create button and automatically you will reach to the you will enter the workflow. I mean, here you will be performing the steps of integration. Here we will be integrating two or more different applications in order to get the automation. Okay. Before we start with the process, let me first explain it to you what is trigger and what is action so that you can understand how the workflows or how the automation is worked. Now here it is written trigger when this happens, action do this. So trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. Understand this. In this particular case, whenever we will get a URL link on our group, this will be our trigger event, and what we want that URL link should be transferred into a QRL code and automatically should be sent to the next group. So this is the action, this is the response. Again, trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. Okay. Now let me tell you what we have to integrate, which application we will be integrating first. So to integrate your first application, you have to click on this trigger here, come to the search field, and here you have to search for Telegram. Okay, here it is written Telegram bot. You have to click this and a new field of trigger event will emerge in front of you. Now if you'll click this arrow, you can see the trigger event. Simply click on it and now click on connect. A mini window will emerge in front of you asking for two options, add new connection and select existing connection. You have to click on add new connection because we are setting up a new connection here. Now it is asking us for the token, enter your token. Okay. Now, let me tell you, this is a process. This is a proper process you have to understand. So, how you can generate the token? Go to Telegram. Okay, this is my Telegram web account. I have already opened. Now we have to search for Botfather here. Okay, go to search and search for Botfather. Okay, so you can see on my screen, this is the Botfather with the blue tick. Click here. Now we have to generate a bot. We will be generating a bot. So what you have to write, you have to message this Botfather slash new bot. Press enter. Now the Botfather has replied to us already a new bot. How? All right, a new bot. How are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. Okay, so let me give a new name to my bot. Okay, so Botfather has replied. Good. Now let's choose a username for your bot. It must end in bot, like this example. For example, terrace bot or terrace underscore bot. So what I'll do, you got it? We have given the name to our bot. Just we have to add underscore and bot in front of our name, and you have to again send it to Botfather. Sorry, this username is already taken. Please try something different. Okay, so let's say URL link. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, so as you can see, we have got a new bot which names under QRL code under bot. Okay, now here you can see it is written done. Congratulations on your new bot. You will find it at this link. You can now add a description about section and profile picture of your bot. See help for a list of commands. So as soon as I'll click on this link, you can see this is our bot. We have to click on start. Now this bot is activated. Now this bot is completely activated. Now what we have to do, we have to create a new group. Okay, I'm creating a new group from my desktop app. So this is my desktop app. Okay, because the groups cannot be created from here. You can see there is no option for any new group. So I have opened my desktop app here. Now I'll create a new group here. Okay, let me name my new group. URL link, because here we will be receiving URL link. Okay, I've created this group. You can see automatically this group has been added here. Now what I'll do, I have to first make admin this bot which we have got URL link. Okay, we have to, I mean this URL bot, we have to make this bot the member of this group, and then we have to make this bot the admin of this group. So let me do this for you. Let me show it to you how you can do it. So this is our group. Okay, I'll go to the settings. Here you can see two members are there. I'll add the bot, our bot. Okay, so this is our bot. I have searched for the member. I'll add this bot to our members to the group, and now I'll give this bot the access. I'll promote this bot to admin. Okay, so I'll click on admin, and now I'll click on save. So this bot has been now has become the admin of this group. What we will do now, we will send a link here. We will send a link here. Before that, guys, what you have to do, let me tell you. Come to bot father. Here, when you have got the reply from bot father, here you can see a use token has been provided to you. What you have to do, you have to copy this token, go back to Pabbly account, and you have to paste it here. Now, when you will click on save, automatically you will be authorized in Telegram bot will be automatically connected with Pabbly. Now, what we have to do, we have to go to Pabbly Connect, Telegram, and I have already told you the process of creating a bot, new bot. You have to first create a new bot by writing /new bot. Okay, you will press enter, then this message will come to you which will say you have to put _bot in front of your name. Then you will do this and automatically then this message will appear in front of you. Now this message will provide you the access token which you have to copy and paste it on Pabbly, and you will be successfully authorized in Telegram will be automatically be integrated with the Pabbly. Now go back to your Telegram account. You have made a group. I have made a group URL link. Now you have to first start this bot. How you will start this bot? You will click on this link and the bot will appear in front of you. Here you will hit the button of start and the bot will be activated. Then you will go to the group. You will click on this group, members of the group. You will add this particular bot which you have made right now here, and you will make this bot the admin of the group. Now here you will send a link. Here you will send a link. So let's say we will send this link, this particular link of Pabbly here in Telegram. Okay. So we have sent this link to this particular group. Now go back to Pabbly and click on save and send test request. Okay, it now it is showing waiting for response. One more time you have to copy this link and send it once again to your group. And when you will come to Pabbly, you can see here automatically this link, you can see the responses here. So Jenny Morgan has made the group. This is the account. This is Telegram account of Jenny. Here you can see the link has been captured here. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to put a filter. Why we are putting a filter? To match this link. If the particular link will match the particular link which has been received to us, then only the automation will work. So for that you have to come to your next application, come to the search field, and here you have to search for filter. Click on filter. Okay, now select for the link. Here you can see it is written select label. Click here. Go to the scroll down. Search for the link. So this was the link. Okay, message text. Let me show it to you once again. Message text. This is the link. Okay. Here you have to map the same link. Map it. Now let me copy the link. And let me match the link here. So here the sentence will complete as this link equals to this link. If we'll hit the save and send test request button, you can see the condition is true, of course, because we have matched the link. Then only the automation will work. Now come down to your next part. Click on the plus sign. And now we will integrate QR code here. QR codes in the Pabbly account, so that the link will convert into the QR code. So what you have to search in your action event, now let me tell you. QR.io, as you can see on my screen, QR.io, click this. Now a new field of action event has emerged in front of you. If you will click this arrow, you can see two of the options. I want generate QR code. Now I'll click on connect. A mini window will emerge in front of you asking for two options. I'll click on add new connection, and now here it is written API key. So let me tell you from where you can find the API key. I have already opened my account on QR.io. Okay, you can see the link here, how you can open to to this particular website, qr.io. Now, from where you can find the API key, let me tell you here. You can see admin@pabbly.com. It is written my user ID. I'll click this. Now I'll go to account settings. Okay. Now I'll hit the API key button, and here you can see the API key has been provided. Simply I'll copy this API key and I'll paste it in my Pabbly Connect account. Now I'll click on save, and you can see we have successfully been authorized in. Now we have to fill up the data here. Okay. So what you have to write here, what you have to map here, the particular link. We will be mapping the particular link. This link we will be mapping here. How? You have to click on the field, go to the scroll down, go to the responses of Telegram, and simply map the link. This was the link we have received above in the responses. Simply click on this link and it will be mapped. Now here you can see different options are given to you. Background color, if you want to add some background color, dots color. Here you can see gradient color, marker border. So this all questions, it is questioning about the QRL code, how you want your QRL code. Right now I'm leaving all of these fields. Okay, when you will make your workflow, you can understand the fields like the frame color, what you want to set the frame color as, upload logo. Okay, I'll simply click on save and send test request because I just want the QR code. And let's see what are the responses. Okay guys, the responses are positive. Here you can see we have got the QR code. This is PNG. Now we have to open this. We have to send this QR code in the next group in Telegram only. So again, you have to integrate Telegram here because first we have integrated Telegram from where we have got the responses, the link in Pabbly. Then we have put a filter. If the particular link matches the link, then we will proceed with the automation. Then we have integrated qr.io to convert that link into the QR code. And finally, we are integrating once again Telegram to send this QR code to our different group. So for that, you have to click on the plus sign, go to the search field and search for Telegram here. Okay, click on Telegram. Action event will emerge, a new field of action event will emerge in front of you. If you will click this arrow, you can see the various action event. Now I want to choose this particular action event, send a text message or a reply HTML. So I'll choose this and now I'll click on connect. A mini window will emerge in front of you just like before, but this time you won't be clicking on add new connection because we have already established the connection above. So you have to click on select existing connection and now click on save. Okay. Now here it is asking us for the chat ID. So this chat ID, it is asking us for the new group in which we have to send the QRL code. So once again we will make a group. Okay, I'll go to the desktop application of Telegram. Here I'll make another group. Okay, so this is the name of my group, QR code. I'll add people here. I'll add Akash and I'll add the bot. Okay, so this was our bot. You can see this was the bot's name, URL. I'll add this bot. Now I'll create. Okay. Now I'll promote this bot as an admin. Remember guys, you have to promote the bot after adding bot as a member to your group. You have to promote the bot to the admin. Then only he will get the access. Okay. So we have promoted him as an admin. Now what we will do, we will go back to our Pabbly Connect account. We'll go back to our Pabbly Connect account. So here you can see in the web, we have already made the group and we have made the members here. And our bot is the admin. So we'll go back to our Pabbly Connect group. To Telegram. And this group, you can see we have to send the message to this group. So here you can see the chat ID is given to you. the last number with the hyphen sign, once again guys, the numbers with the hyphen sign, you have to copy this, go back to Pabbly Connect account and paste it here. Okay, in the description also you can see the URL has given to you, and in the ending the number has given. Now you have to put the you have to take the hyphen sign as well, copy it. Now this I mean the number you are copying, the number, remember, when you will come to your group, then only you can copy the number, then only it will see the correct group. So copy this number and paste it here. Now we have to write a text here. Okay, so I'll write a text here which I want to send to this group along with the QRL code. So let me write the text first, the format of SMS. Okay, so you can see I have written the message. Hey guys, it's a simple message which I want to send to my group. Hey guys, we have received a new QRL code, the link and the code. So now we will map the link here. How? Go down, click on the link, go down in the responses and search for the link. So this was the link which we have converted into the QR code. I've added the link and now I'll add the QR code. Remember, you have to add the PNG PNG file type. So you have mapped the PNG file type. Now these two fields will remain the same and you will click on save and send test request. Guys, our message has been successfully sent there. Let me show it to you. So guys, here you can see the link has been sent and the QR code has been sent as well. Okay. Now let me show it to you, the QR code in the new tab. So guys, this is the QR code. Okay. Now let me download the image. So we are saving this image and now I have opened a WebQRL website. I'll drop it here and let me show it to you and let me drop this image here. So you can see the link has been emerged in front of you. Now this link has taken us to the channel here, to the workflow which we have created. We have copied this link only. We took this link only to convert it in the QRL code. So you have seen how perfectly the integration has worked, guys. Now let me show it to you one more time. The process of workflow which we did, the steps which we did in the workflow. So first we integrated Telegram. Okay. First we integrated Telegram with Pabbly Connect. We have created a new bot there and we have made the admin. We have made the bot the admin of the particular group. Then we have received we have captured all the details of the link here. Okay. Then we have put a filter. We have matched the link with the link so it can proceed with the automation process. Then we have integrated QR.io to turn the link into a QR code. And finally, once again, we have integrated Telegram with Pabbly to send the QR code into the different group. Okay, guys. So I'll add the link of this workflow in my description box, guys. You can click on the link and you can directly clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. Don't forget to go and check the link. Hello guys, before you leave, let me tell you, not only just these applications, but you can integrate tons of other applications by using Pabbly Connect. If you want to contact us, this is our email ID, admin@pabbly.com. If you have any further queries, you can always visit to this website. And guys, if you really liked our video, please don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button. It will really keep us boosted and we will keep providing you such videos. Thank you.